5 amazing ways to use ChatGPT. In this video, I will show you the 5 amazing ways to use ChatGPT. The link is given in the description down below. Don't forget to check it out. Number 1, copywriting. When it comes to ChatGPT, we can use ChatGPT for copywriting and generating content. So if you are a copywriter or if you're looking for copywriting for your website, then this is the AI for you. And here we have our copyrighted article ready for us in seconds. So with ChatGPT, it's actually really easy, and the conversational way makes it a lot more easier for us to understand better. And for even for the AI, it helps it to give us the accurate answers. Number 2, explaining complex concepts. When it comes to ChatGPT, we will be able to ask questions that we ask Google sometimes and we are disappointed with the answers, or we're looking in the books all the time and we cannot find them, or if you already have a teacher but you are actually finding it very difficult to understand the concepts that we have. So with ChatGPT, it will help us understand everything in very simple words. For instance, I cannot understand what is thermodynamics. And here we have our answer. It gave me the laws, then it gave me the definition. It also gave me some uses. So this is really impressive. Similarly, we can ask questions such as what is a JavaScript, or if you're having trouble understanding any kind of complex equation or concept. At number 3, we have writing and fixing codes. You heard me right. With ChatGPT, we can actually write codes and even fix the code we are having trouble with. With ChatGPT, all you need to do is you can give it a command to write a brand new code for you in any of the different scripts. If you want to write a code in Python, JavaScript, or any other. Similarly, we will be able to fix a code as well. So all you need to do is just paste the code right here and it will show you the error that you are facing. So with ChatGPT, even as a complete beginner, I will be able to just copy the code and paste it wherever I want it to be. And you can see it is also showing me how to run a code. So that's actually really impressive. With ChatGPT, we will be able to actually now build programs and websites. So that is actually really, really amazing what we can do with ChatGPT, and we will be able to fix code, write codes, run programs, and much more. At number 4, we have marketing and promotional ads. When it comes to ChatGPT, we will be able to write, of course, simple articles, promotional tweets. If you work in social media, you will be able to write social media posts and much more. So let me show you how we do it. And with a simple post, you will be actually able to generate video descriptions, promotional descriptions, whatever you want to do, you can do within your ChatGPT. So let me actually give you an example so you will get a better idea what I'm talking about. So here I got the answer for write a product description for a fitness pick that I have. So it gave me a product description that I will be able to use on Amazon or any other platform that I'm using. Solving mathematical equations. When it comes to ChatGPT, it will allow us to solve mathematical equations as well. So with a calculator, you just get your end results. But with ChatGPT, you will be able to solve an equation step by step, and it will help you with your homeworks or even solve complicated mathematical equations. So I have written this equation, you can see. Here we have our equation solved for us, and you can see it actually solved it step by step. So the AI is also kind of like confused if it's a code or not, but like this is your equation and you can actually copy and paste it wherever you want it. And then we have our end result right here. These are some of the amazing ways you can use ChatGPT for. I hope that I was a big help. The link for ChatGPT is given in the description down below. You can go ahead and sign up. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.